Hi friends, this is your Magesh, your AV consultant, and today we are at USK Electronics, and we've seen many subwoofers. We have unpacked many SVS subwoofers in all our installs, and today we have gonna see the massive subwoofer PB16 what is inside the box, not outside the box. And we're not gonna unbox the entire unit, we're gonna unbox the subwoofer itself, and I'm going to show you these massive huge drivers which are there inside the subwoofers. Usually we use SVS subwoofers in all our projects, so today I'm going to unreveal the secrets why do we use SVS in our projects. And this is a massive driver PB16 which is right in my hands, and it is a massive weighing subwoofer. The weight of this subwoofer in our entire sealed box is around 80 kgs. This driver alone is around 29.2 kgs. This is so heavy, nearly 30 kgs. My God, it builds my biceps. So talking about this subwoofer, usually before getting into the details of the subwoofer, I would like to tell you one thing. So usually any electronic devices needs a service backup, and SVS is very famous for its service backup. Service is so important for any electronics that without company's extended support, it's impossible to confidently use or spec in the product, however great the product performs. The turnover time is so fast that almost all the spare parts are available at distributor's place. It's just a matter of transport time. So I suggest you purchase it authorizedly locally at your place, and which is bound to have distributor and dealers network properly. And USK Electronics in Hyderabad is its authorized service center for SVS, so you can rely upon them. So now talking about this SVS beautiful Ultra 16 subwoofer, and this is taken out from a ported subwoofer or a sealed subwoofer. The driver remains the same, but the driver size is around 16 inches diameter. So this, if you see the longitudinal section of it, so we'll just take the dimension of it, reading. Oh my God, it's a massive 11-inch height driver, and it's a 16-inch dia driver. And the lower portion, you can see this magnet. The longitudinal section is basically to dissipate the heat that is generated by exerting this sort of low pressures. This 16-inch driver has got 8-inch edge voice coil, which is largest ever developed for driver control and ultra low distortion at all drive levels. This is a board which is driving this massive subwoofer. And talking about this board now, so this is a MOSFET area which is driving the amplification part, and you can see this power supply section, pre-out section. This is a Bluetooth based DSP board which is giving us the control on the mobile for the equalizer settings, filter settings, low pass filters, all the sort of gain settings and all onto the mobile. So this is about this board, and spare parts are the crucial part in any of the electronic gadgets. This driver has got 3 standard modes of operation. Basically it's called standard mode, extended mode and seal mode. In standard mode of operation, it operates around 15 Hz to 280 Hz. And in extended mode, basically it is still lower, so it works around 13 Hz. And in sealed mode, basically we have 14 Hz operation point. So we can select this and we can seal the ports, basically since it's a PB ported subwoofer. So based on our requirement, based on the room capability, we can seal the ports or we can open the ports. So that is purely on the application basics. And usually if you see the circuit board of here, the MOSFETs used over here are high frequency range MOSFETs which can work around 50 megahertz of frequencies, and it's got a beautiful power factor correction methodology, which means current and voltage loop is there in the circuit, ensuring that the driver is safe even if it's overdriven. So now we see the back panel of this subwoofer driver or the amplifier driver port. So now we have this XLR jacks at the back. In commonly used subwoofers in the residential, we have RCA, which is unbalanced, where you can see this over here. So having XLR is a great gift, I can say, for AV installers, because you can install this at a distance because it's balanced. There's no signal loss happening in the cable. So this is a beautiful gift for the subwoofer and for us to use this subwoofer. And you have basically the balanced output of here and balanced input. Usually the inputs have got the female ports and the male outputs have got the male ports. And you have a LFE section of here for the RCA input from the AV receiver or a processor. So this is about the back panel of this subwoofer. So finally, talking about the warranty of this product, this carries 5 years warranty. They replace your anything goes faulty in this circuit board, they replace it without asking a single question. So this is a specialty of SVS subwoofer. So finally, we have seen Ultra 16 subwoofer and its uses and its components. So this is the reason why we use SVS in all our usual projects, ensuring that the quality of bass is achieved in the rooms. And keep liking us, subscribe to our channel, and get yourself updated with our technology updates. This is Magesh signing off, AVTCS. Thank you.